Looky here, this mattress fits in the trunk. Hello, David here, and the project for today is a review of the Simmons 8-inch memory foam mattress, twin sized. And I was wondering, how did they get a mattress into this box? Here's my hand for scale. See that? There's no way you could get a mattress in a box this size, but they do it because there's no springs in the mattress. It's all foam. So I wonder if we open up the box, will a big jack-in-the-box pop out? I don't know. Let's find out. Freddy, what? Open the box. Don't cut your hand off. Don't poke your eye out. Oh, the mattress is as strong as the packing tape.
Why is it not in out?
Oh, it's got a little envelope opener here.
Why do we need that?
I don't know. Do you want to hold it and we'll see what the directions say?
What is it?
Nobody reads directions.
He always reads directions.
Honey, we're home. What do you call someone with an awesome mattress? You. Thanks for picking us. Now let's get your new BFF set up so you can have some funs. Step 1.
I'd like to have some fun.
Unpack. Lay the box on its side and remove your mattress. It's in a bag, and that's a good thing. Now put the bag containing the mattress on your platform foundation or solid surface bed frame.
Why are you standing there?
Come on, put your back into it.
Remove your mattress. Lay the
Yeah,
box
it's
on
in a
its side
patongi.
and remove the mattress.
It kind of looks like sushi.
Sushi.
Okay. My directions are in the hallway.
When is it gonna patongi?
Here. Do you want to open it?
Yeah, when is it gonna blow up?
I don't know.
Maybe it can explode. How are we gonna roll it now? Yay! Okay. Oh! Ah!
Now what? We have to get the directions.
But now it's not gonna explode.
Wait, we didn't take that wrapper off yet.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Ew, it smells bad.
Roll it out using the opener in the pack. Cut open the bag.
I'm okay.
Cut open the bag and remove your mattress. Be careful you do not cut the cover. Now gently unfold your mattress and give it time to expand into its real shape. The edges might appear a bit crimped. Don't worry, it's totally normal. It'll sort itself out. Okay, so now we have to unroll it.
Oh shit.
Right there.
Wow.
You hear the air?
Yeah.
It's vacuum packed. That's a nice tunnel box.
I want to sit on that. That might shoot you into the ceiling.
Okay. I want to see how high this can shoot me. Oh, where we were. Ah. Oh, I'm done. Why is it gonna explode?
It doesn't explode.
What?
It just slowly expands. I think it has doubled in size so far.
Whee! Good morning.
Good morning. Time to start the day.
Instructions don't say how long it takes for the foam to expand, but it says after you roll it out and take the plastic cover off, it's ready to use immediately. Except it's going to smell like foam for a few days, but they say that smell will go away. They say the cover's not washable, and you never have to flip the mattress. Do not remove or discard white labels, or the model label. Uh-oh, I wonder if it's a felony to take the tag off the mattress. This is advertised at 8 inches. I'm only getting 7. Let me hold it steady. There we go. 7 inches, not 8. I'll give it another day, see if it expands some more. Well, it's been some 20 hours since we unpacked the mattress, and it's still sitting at 7 inches, and I'm pretty certain it's going to stay at 7 inches. So this is not an 8-inch mattress.